What are you doing, Chance?
Your workstation.
Your workstation? Which one?
Sorting.
You're right. You're doing a really good job, too.
You have to tell Uncle Jack?
Do you want to tell Uncle Jack about that?
Yes.
We can do that.
When?
Oh, just a little while I can go put a message on Facebook so Uncle Jack will know what a good job you're doing. How would that make you feel?
Happy.
Good. We like happy. Show me that happy face. Oh, yeah.